Imagine this blanket is the space-time continuum. You're not going to believe how time actually works, because time is not actually time, it's also dimension. And everything is mathematical dimension. And as soon as the world realizes this, everything will be solved. Your entire translation of the universe into binary is incorrect. The quantum field is one. This is something. It's space. You cannot exist if there's no space for you to exist in. Hence, space should be something. You can also measure the difference in two different locations, which means, so that would actually mean that the universe has a mathematical field or grid. Now, I can explain this grid according to its shape and why pi exists. So, time is not actually something that moves or goes by. Imagine this is time, right? And this is the earliest time up to the nearest or the furthest into the future. But there's always only just present, because consciousness is manifestation. So if this was the past, you can look at time itself as, like these sponges that they stick the flowers into with the memory foam. It's like memory foam. Everything that happens remains. It gets manifested in different dimensions, and as it manifests, creating the next mathematical structure of the following or the previous, which it's based upon, which is the mathematical structure of the flower of life, which is the multidimensional structure of space-time. The flower of life, and when I say multidimensional, I actually mean in different directions, not like some ridiculousness like they make you believe or misconcept you. That's not how dimension works. Mathematical space-time, the space-time continuum is the shape of a circle, and it infinitely resonates within itself. So if you put 7 circles around each other, or 7 balls, you will see that they all touch each other. It's perfect resonance, mathematical phenomena of deluxe, of balance of all creation. It is the craziest thing. So the shape of the circle coincidentally also is the shape in which something would mathematically exponentially grow. And if something were to be born that can duplicate, so if you have a circle with another circle and a third one, that is the structure of cellular duplication and exponential growth, right? That is also the structure of the water molecule and the triangle, the most stable of our dimensional shapes. So if you take all the resonant dimensional shapes, the first 13 of them, in other words, if you have a circle with 3 corners, it'd be a triangle, a square, etc., etc., and then it goes up to 13. But